What's up, everyone? Welcome to Coding Edition. Today we are going to solve kth missing positive number question on LeetCode. So let us quickly understand the problem. So in this question, we are given an array and an integer k. We have to find out kth positive integer that is missing from the array. And another important thing, this array is in strictly increasing order, which means that it is sorted and there are no duplicates inside this array. So let us see the first example here. In the first example, we are missing 1 from here, 5, 6 from here, and 8, 9, 10 from here. So basically, these are the missing numbers, and fifth missing number is 9. So we have to return 9 from this. Let us see second example. In this example, we have all of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to find the second missing number. So here the second missing number will be next number will be 5 and 6. So second missing number is 6. And this solution can be done in O of n, which makes this question easy. But the logN solution, which is in binary search, is really interesting, and we will get to learn a great question as in binary search. So let us just quickly jump to the whiteboard and firstly understand O of n solution. Then we will move to logN solution. So O of n solution is pretty much very intuitive and simple. So in this O of n solution, we will iterate over array once, and we'll try to find out the missing numbers inside the array. So how do we find out the missing numbers up to a particular index? So to find out the missing number up to a particular index, what we will be doing is we will be separating that number from what should have existed there if everything is present. For example, if we have 2. So if the everything is present inside array, the I minus 1 should have existed there, which is 1. So we will subtract 1 from the 2, and we will get that one number is missing up till here in the array. So as we move ahead to 7, now there are 3 numbers missing in the array. So we will subtract 4 from the, which is I plus 1, 4 from the 7. So basically, as the array is sorted, we are using the fact that array is sorted and some numbers are missing from them. So basically, it is present at the position of 4. Here, 4 should be here, but some numbers are deleted so that it came to 4. So that's how you can understand the intuition behind this formula. So as soon as we find the missing numbers up to the particular index, whenever inside the iteration the missing number exceeds k, which is the kth number, we have to find kth missing number. So as soon as it exceeds the k, it means that we are going to hit that. So for example, in this case, we will iterate out the array. Firstly, we will see one number is missing, then 3 numbers are missing. Now 6 numbers are missing. So we have exceeded the k. So as soon as we exceed the k, we will indicate that we are going ahead of 9. Basically, the 9 is our answer is in this question, and this indicates that the value of missing is 6. Now when we come inside this if condition in the loop and subtracting k from it, will give us 1, so which indicates that answer was 9. We have come to 10 also. We have also taken 10 in the concentration. We have taken an extra number, or a missing minus k extra numbers, so we have to go those numbers back. Okay, so we'll subtract from array of I those numbers, and also subtracting minus 1 means that we are one index ahead now. So that's why we have to subtract minus 1 also. So this will give us 11 minus 1 minus 1, which is 11 minus 2 is equals to 9. So we'll get our answer. Okay. And if we iterate all over the array and we didn't find anything greater than k, in this case, that will happen. That array is 1, 2, 3, 4, and every time the missing number is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, because nothing is missing from this array. So whenever this happens, we will come outside the loop, and this condition will be set outside the loop, where the missing will be less than k, and we have to return the last element plus k minus missing. Basically, in this case, nothing is missing, so we will have nothing inside the missing. But basically missing here is the last missing numbers at last element. Okay, so basically we will subtract those missing number from k. For example, let us say there is one missing number from here, that is 1. So in that case, we will subtract missing number from k and add that to our answer. Okay, so in this case, 4 plus k will become 9. 5 plus 4, because nothing is missing in this case. So we will have to subtract the numbers which are already missed inside the array. In that case, we will subtract missing from them. Okay, so I hope that makes O of n solution clear. Let us just quickly see the code and then jump to login solution. So here is the O of n solution. We will iterate through the array once, and we will just try to find out the missing numbers at every step. If it exceeds, we will apply the same formula as I already explained. So we will add that to answer and return the answer. If and at the end of the loop, if we will not find anything, so which means missing was always less than k, so we will return the last missing number from this, and that will give us our answer. Okay, so I hope that makes O of n solution very clear, and it is pretty simple. So now let us move to login solution, which is very kind of interesting and will make you learn many things about binary search and how interesting the binary search topic is. Binary search solution. So in this binary search solution, let us first understand what is our goal to do in this binary search. So in this binary search solution, what we will be doing is we will be trying to find the biggest number less than our answer inside the array. So inside our array, the biggest number less than answer is 7, as we can see here. So if we find out the biggest number less than array, we need to do nothing else. We will just add k to it. Basically, it is same as the O of n solution. We will just add k and minus missing till now numbers, as we have seen in O of n solution, that k is the kth number we want to find which is missing. And before 7, how many numbers were missing? We will subtract it from that. So basically, before 7, 3 numbers are missing, 7, and if so 5 minus 3 becomes 2, and 7 plus 2 becomes 9. Okay, so that is our goal inside this binary search. We need to find the biggest number which is less than the answer. So to do that, what we'll be doing is research on the missing numbers, because see, we don't have any target number. We don't know the answer is 9, but we have k. So, and k is a fifth missing number. Basically, k is saying that I'm a fifth missing number. So which gives us an intuition we have to do something with this missing numbers, so that we can find this 7. So basically, what we will be doing is we are going to find the largest index in the missing array so that it is smaller than k. Okay. So to find the largest index in the missing array, which is smaller than k. So basically, whatever is the largest index and value of which is smaller than k, will give us the biggest number and biggest number less than the answer. How will that happen? Because as we know that our fifth number is missing, so we are trying to find a number which whose index is maximum, but whose value is less than 5. So we are going to the biggest number, which is less than kth missing number. Okay, so that is an. So now let us just quickly run a binary search on this example, and that will make it much more clear. Okay, so we have a left value 0, right value 5, which are the extreme indices of this array. So we will just add them and subtract divide by 2. So we will find the middle of the array. So which is basically 5 plus 0 by 2 is 2, the middle of the array. So at the second index, we have value 4. So what we'll be doing, we will be finding the missing number at this point. The missing number at this point is 1. So a missing number is less than 5. What will we do? We will we want to go to more greater number if it is less than k. Okay, so we will add 1 in the middle and increment l by m plus 1. Okay, so m plus 1 will become this. Now again we will run the loop. 5 plus 3 is 5 6 7 8. So 8 by 2 becomes 4, and at fourth index we have 11, and at 11th index we are missing 6 values. So basically now 6 is greater than now 6 is greater than the value of k, our kth number. So what we'll be doing is we will change the value of r. So we will change the value of r to m now. Okay, so I will explain this in the code how we are changing this value to plus 1, and not in the case of r we are just changing it to m. So for now let us just do this. So we have changed the value of this to r. Okay, now again run. Now we will again run this, and now 4 plus 3 becomes 4 5 6 7. 7 by 2 becomes 3. Now value of m is equal to 3. So now the value of m is equal to 3. So at third index, how many things are missing? 3 things are missing. So it is less than 5. So we will change L now. So the value of L will become m plus 1, which is 4. So now the value of L is 4. So as soon as L exceeds of R or is equal to R, we will end our while loop and we'll try to find the answer. So now at the end, the value of our L becomes 4, which is the last index of the array in this case. So basically we have reached to a value which is greater than which is greater than the other which is greater than 9. Basically we have to reach to 7. So what we will be doing now, we will trying to get a formula for getting our answer in this case. So as we have said above, our answer is the biggest number less than our answer. So as we move one step ahead at the end, like when we check when m was 3, we have checked it and moved L one step ahead. So every time this will happen, the L will move one step ahead. So our biggest number less than our answer is L minus 1. Okay, so we got our biggest number less than our answer. So now we will add that add k to that to find our answer, but we will have to subtract something from it, which should be our missing number. So the formula for the missing number is array of the current array number, and we will subtract its index from it. Its index plus from 1 from it. So its index is l minus 1. L minus 1 plus 1 become l. So we will subtract that from it. Okay. So now basically now our formula becomes this. After opening this bracket, we can cut L minus 1 from L minus 1, and eventually our formula will become K plus 1. So our answer will be 5 plus our last value of L, that is 4. So I hope that made the intuition pretty much clear for you, because this formula, getting to this formula seems very, very hard to so many people, and this is kind of binary search, and in which we are basically having conversation with 3 arrays rather than 1 array. So let us just quickly jump to the code to make it much more clear. So let us quickly understand overflow in solution line by line. So as we can see in the solution, firstly we have assigned L to 0 and R to the size of array. So let us firstly understand why we assigned R to the size of array. So as we can see in this solution, we have to go to outside the bound of the array. In the case when we didn't find any missing value inside the array, or we didn't reach to the kth value inside the array, in that case we need to go to we need to go outside the bound of the array. You can get intuition for this from in solution as well, because in this, as you can see, we have to check a condition when we are outside the array for returning the answer. So for the same reason we are doing it here as well. So from this solution you can completely derive the solution. You just need to convert into binary search. This condition is almost same. In the here we are just checking if we are missing the number of missing elements exceeds k, will return an answer. And here we are saying just get closer and closer to the missing numbers we are when it exceeds k. So and at last it exceeds k when we plus m in it and we return it. So basically these both solutions are pretty much similar, but the time complexity is very much different. That these conditions and this last condition basically are very much similar, which can give you a proper intuition of this solution. Okay, so I hope this formula was clear to you from whiteboard, and that is a code for this. You can find this code in the pinned comment, and thank you so much for watching.